Hey, hey, hey! Cynthia here at Santa Rosa Shih Tzu. And look at this cutie. He has a lovely white flash. And look at him with his little tongue hanging out. I'm going to set him down and I want to see if he will give us a little bit of movement, show off his stuff. Oh, this is the first time having a chance to be outside. Yeah. Oh my goodness, look at your tail wagging. Come here. Let's see if we can get you to move. Oh, yeah. Come, I'm over here. Oh, I see that you see the grass. They love that grass. Well, he is such a cutie. He has a black mask, the white flash. He's got lovely little hints of white on the paws. Oh, and he's got that tongue hanging out. Well, if you were looking for a little fella, this little one is available. Give us a holler here at Santa Rosa Shih Tzu Puppy.